you for joining me in another yoga video. Today I'll be demonstrating how to do bow pose or Dhanurasana and a modification for this pose. You will need a blanket, and this is a deep back bend, so let's start with our modification first.
Let's start in locust pose and fold your blanket across your mat. Begin lying on your belly with your head resting on the mat. Make sure your pelvic bones are under your blanket. Allow the legs to be hip-width distance apart. Bring the arms to your sides. Engage in your leg muscles and lift them up, and begin to raise the chest and arms up. Your pelvis and belly should remain rooted on the mat. Keep your spine long and broad across the shoulder blades. Keep your head and neck relaxed and allow the gaze to remain forward. Hold for several breaths. On an exhale, release. Now let's get into bow pose, and we'll keep our pelvic bones under our blanket for extra comfort. Start off on your belly and keep your legs hip-width apart. Keep the arms by your sides. Bend the knees and bring the backs of the heels closer to your glutes. Reach your hands back to grab your ankles, feet, or shins. Engage your quad and inner thigh muscles. Push into the hands and lift the chest, torso, and shoulders. Keep your pelvis and tailbone rooted to the mat. Firm your shoulder blades down and back. Stay with your breath here. On an exhale, release your legs and bring your arms to your sides. Or you can fold them in front of you for a comfortable pillow.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of bow pose in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.